Well, good afternoon from Two Happy Children Farm. Doing one of my final steps in the field today. We're out getting some ears to do a moisture check at the elevator. A week ago we pulled a dozen ears out of a couple sections of the farm and we were at 29%. And so a week later we've had several days, well, a couple days over 100. And then most days in the 90s since then. Sunday, which was today, is Thursday, the 29th. On Sunday we had 2 inches of rain, which really settled things in. Not going to help this crop, but got nice moisture here. This will be something I can work with going forward for my double crop soybeans. So there's the ears. I use the same strategy for taking these as I do for the yield checks. I just went through 4 rows, counted 5 ears, pulled one, and then counted another 5 ears, and then pulled one. So 2 per row. And I'm going to shell these off, and we'll take some measurements on the moisture and weight, and kind of get an idea what the kernel density is, and we'll see how it goes. I think this is getting to be pretty common here, about a 6.5 inch ear and pretty good girth. Nice heavy feeling ears. These have been over half a pound each, including the cob. So we'll see where we're at this week. We'll see how many points we lose a day here with the weather, and might be harvesting in a week to 10 days. So that's just a view below the canopy, what things look like. We've had a flush of spider mites come through, otherwise the leaves would still be greener. Not at this point, that it doesn't really matter. But they sure lit up the vegetables once they came through. Things are standing well, still green at the top of the canopy. This variety hit 29% moisture at 2900 GDU, or 2900 heat units, which is right on schedule. So that means it didn't die prematurely for any reason, like lack of moisture or lack of fertility. With that being said, I think we should get some pretty good kernel weights. So we'll be seeing you in about a week to 10 days, and hopefully running in the harvester by then. Thank you.